Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with safety and control. Position the rickshaw on firm ground and chock the opposite wheels so it cannot roll. Once done, loosen the wheel nuts one turn only. This prevents the wheel spinning when lifted. Place the jack under the manufacturer's lift point behind the engine. Raise slowly until the tire clears the ground. Make sure you feel the vehicle settle on the jack before fully removing the nuts. This avoids damage and keeps you safe. With the jack steady, remove all nuts and pull the tire straight off to avoid bending studs. Inspect the hub and studs for cracks or stripped threads. Replace if abnormal. Align the spares bolt holes and start nuts by hand so threads engage correctly, then lower the vehicle until the tire just contacts ground to prevent spinning. Tighten the nuts in a star pattern to ensure even seating. This gives proper clamping and prevents wobble. Lower the rickshaw fully and torque the nuts properly. If you lack a torque wrench, tighten firmly in the star pattern and recheck after driving a short distance. Make sure tire pressure matches the manufacturer's PSI and reseat the valve core if needed. If you feel vibration or see wobble after driving, stop and retorque the nuts and inspect studs. If the tire leaks or studs are damaged, replace parts before continuing. This single check prevents failure on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.